Hello friends, welcome back. In this chapter, we'll build a local PDF summarizer. So previously we have seen how we could upload a simple text file to our model, and then based on that file, we could ask questions. Let us do the opposite of that, or something similar with documents. So PDFs are everywhere: invoices, policies, manuals, emails. You get a lot of attachments, the PDF attachments. So even in fact, meeting notes are also shared across a lot of organizations. So a lot of business documents are shared as PDF format. If we are building practical AI tools, PDF is very important. And then the first step is to extract text from a PDF, and the language model doesn't directly understand PDF files. So yeah, the preferred format of file format for a model is probably a JSON or a YAML, not a PDF file. So to understand, to make it understand, we have to first transform our PDF into text. So our Python code needs to read PDF and pull the text out. Once we have the text, we can share it to the model with summarization prompt, so that it will read through the whole text and then make a summary out of it. In this case, Ollama will generate the summary. Streamlit will, as usual, display the summary. So we'll keep the first version very simple. A small PDF. We can summarize the extracted text directly. For larger PDFs, we'll need something which handles better. We might need to probably split the document into chunks, or some summarized sections, or use a RAG to answer specific questions. But this chapter is just a bridge between how we could create a bridge between file assistant and full RAG systems. So we'll discuss some other common issues in the later part. But let's head back to our IDE, and we have some new requirements on this. Uh, yeah, apologies for the break. I was looking for a PDF file. I will search along with you. So here's what we are building. Trying to build a PDF summarizer, and we'll need a few new dependencies. So let us look at the requirements. Streamlit we have already installed, and we have request also. So I think this is a new package, which is PyPDF. Let's see if we can get it from our package manager, and we are specifically interested in 6.12. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead with the latest version, and it should take some time. So while this thing is installed, let's go back to our terminal and see if we can trigger our Streamlit application. So essentially we have to point it to our folder, which is 08, and the name is PDF summarizer. I guess let's see if we can trigger this thing. Oh, nice. So we'll have to kill this and come back. In meanwhile, let us look for PDF sample online. Let's look for AI testing doc, probably. Maybe let's do one thing. Let's look for a nice white paper, so that it actually makes sense. Okay, this is a AWS white paper on the services. And how big is this? It's 161 pages. Let's download it. Okay, yes. We don't need need this because we have to first fix our Python dependency, which is the py-pdf package. Why didn't we install it? That was that quick. Let's go back to our terminal and stop it and restart this again. Alright, let's upload it from our documents, the PDF that we just got, and it has actually managed to generate a preview. It's hardly a few lines. Let's go ahead and summarize it. And while this takes a bit of time, there are some limitations. For example, we'll need to sometimes handle properly the big large files, and there are some common issues with PDFs. So for example, PDFs contain some selectable text which is easy to extract. However, some PDFs have scanned images which require OCR. Some PDFs have tables or complex layouts which may not be easy to extract, because ultimately we want it everything in a text format and then pass that extracted text to our model. So this may not be a good idea for all the scenarios, but let's see. We did get a summary of that 160 plus pages PDF, and we get some key points: cloud computing, deployment model, security measures, and so on. So it is a nice understanding. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this interesting chapter. I will see you in the next. If you have any questions or doubts, definitely feel free to pass them on in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. If not, I will definitely look up and find some more extensive resources which will help you deep dive into these certain things. So in the next chapter, we will start playing around with RAG, and I will explain you in as simple as possible. So until then, stay tuned, and thank you for visiting my channel. Have a nice day.